MDC ka Tura constituency ubalong ru state vice president ka BJP ula Kynnoh baka scheme Jal Jeevan Mission kadai ka scheme kabala fail hat Tura namar baka sorkar kala shuai tangki kaipot baka long ka mission ka ba job Hynrei ka ne ka long tang haki kot kisla bat ban pen I tang haki dur bala de ban ponye ki syaki ying breu kani ka mission hi hatura kam dei ka jing job namar ba bon hi na ki jaka ki don tang ki pipe bat ki top Hynrei ka kam don ula benram
Jal Jeevan Mission. Jal Jeevan Mission, yes, they are giving a report as it is successful, but it is not successful because they might have connected the lines to the houses, but there is no water. They might have built a tank, but there is no intact point from where the water will come. So just showing in the paper and taking a picture of the points connected to the houses is not a successful implementation of the scheme. The water has to flow. Water has to flow. So, and more than that, they have connected in most of the places with unapproved materials, which we are raising now, and we have even filed an RTI in certain PhD departments to get the details of the exact materials which they have used and which have been approved by the government.